is the aspect of quality. I think today, especially in our defense systems, I think quality is of paramount importance, which is normally overlooked by enterprise in the other streams, not necessarily in defense, but in other streams. But I think in the aerospace sector, I think quality is of paramount importance. You have to pay attention to it because the reliability of the systems is very, very critical. We have to be proud today of the good work that DRDO is doing. We have a lot of capable scientists, and I was particularly impressed when Dr. Panyam's introduction was made about his background. People who, especially usually who studied abroad, they tend to remain there because of the opportunities that, especially in a country like the US, that presents. But we should be grateful, the country should be grateful for scientists like Dr. Panyam who come back and who joined a program like this. Today, the Defense Research is one of the premier organizations which is playing a very, very important role in our self-reliance capabilities. I think normally they are blamed for delays in the deliverance of systems, which is not their fault, but I think it is the teamwork that has been has its shortcomings. The teamwork of the defense research, the defense manufacturing, from the PSUs and the ministry. We take collective responsibility, but I'm sure that we have identified where the shortcomings are. We have realized that the role of private industry is very, very important in accelerating this progress, in bringing in greater efficiency, bringing in greater flexibility, bringing in the numbers, bringing in the capacity. I think the private sector's role is very important. And I would like to stress to both the PSUs and the private sector to not to go into the low-end stuff. Try to go in for the high-end stuff. Because we need to bring greater value addition into the country. And I'm sure that if you focus on these areas, we will be doing greater value addition to the nation as a whole. Dr. Panyam has applied the know-how and the knowledge for making this happen. But in the end, it has to be teamwork. We are all involved. Even though they have the capabilities, the ministry should be responsive to the changes. We should be alert and tweak the policy as per the necessity. And I'm sure that in the coming years, you will see this happen. This country will go forward in a big way in our self-reliance. We will be a strong nation, and we will do the nation proud, and we will be a leader amongst nations in the world. Thank you, and Jai Hind.